Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic video using CapCut PC. So if you want to make your videos look like a Hollywood movie, here I'm going to show you how you can make a cinematic video from start to finish by using color grading and filters in CapCut. So now you can start by adding your clips into CapCut like this. Then first you can add a filter. So go to the filter options and then just search for the orange blue filter. This one. Add it into your clip. Then click on the plus button and adjust the durations to match the clip. And here you can adjust the intensity to how you like. So I'm going to go with 80. And now you can go to adjustment and here add a custom adjustment. Again, don't forget to change the durations like this. And now we can just follow my adjustment. So first you can scroll down and in here you can increase the temperature into 10 and set the saturation also to 10, and here set the thin into a -10. Scroll down and adjust the exposure into -10. Contrast, increase it into, lower it to -15, and the highlight also in -15. Shadow, increase into 10, and the brilliance, lower it to -10. And here add some fade effects, so I'm going to go with around 10. And that's it. So you'll get this cinematic look on your clips. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.